Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So in this video we'll be doing a short-term gold analysis XAU USD for the next two trading days. Gold is currently trading at a level of $4338.75 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, we'll break down this using 15 minutes, 2 hours and daily charts, plus discuss how Fed leadership transition expected are impacting the gold right now. Okay, let's get into it. Now, if you look at the 15 minutes chart, you'll see how the price of gold is moved for so long. If you look at this particular chart, what we have seen the price after making in this range, okay, when the range breakout happens, we have seen the price was moving out of this zone and trying to go higher. Okay, and this 15 minutes chart, gold is currently consolidating near the range of $43.37. The price is already above this level, showing a short-term indecision. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what we can see that the price, if sustaining a level of 43.31, we can see a bounce back from this level. But if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of 43.06. These are the two supports which you can see. But if it's keep moving above this level, then there is a higher chances that the price can make all-time high around 43.52, which is already tested. So we can see the price can rise above that level. Okay. Now, if the price keep holding above a level of 43.42, chances of making a new high can be seen, all-time high, and a probability of making further upside can be seen. But if the price failed to move or if it started going below this level, then chance of further fall can be seen. Okay, this is a strong support, so understand that if the price fall below this level, we can see there can be a further downfall can be seen. Coming back on a 2 hour chart, you will understand how the price has moving or will move in the 2 hour chart. If you look at the 2 hour chart, the structure is still bullish, but momentum has slowed. Price is holding above the short-term trend support, which keeps buyers in control as long as 43.40 is sustained. See, this is the pattern is there, and then there is a downfall. So if the price keep moving off this level, probability of going towards 43.52 can be there, and if the price moving off this level, probability of going towards 43.75 is there. 43.75 is already tested, so we can see the price can rise above that level and a probability will be very high. The price can move further upside towards, and as soon as the price going above this level, probability of going towards 4400 to a level of 4450 to a level of 4500. What best you can do, you can trail your SL by $10 to $15 or by $20 to $25. This is what best you can do, because there will be a sharp rise if the price sustain above its all-time high. Okay, and because this level is already tested 43.81, so you have to understand as soon as the price comes close to this level, there is higher chance of crossing this level because this level is already tested. So chances of further upside can be there. So 4400 to a level of 4450 to a level of 4500 can also be seen. Okay, now what you can see, this is a 2 hour chart. If it closes above a level of 43.80, then a further upside can be seen. But if the price started going below a level of around 4300, then a further downfall can be seen. Then it can move towards 42.61. This 42.61, from there a bounce back can be there. But if the price didn't bounce back, we can see a further downfall, and if the price goes below that particular level, we can see a level of $42.23. From there also a bounce back can be seen. Okay, now what you can see on a daily chart, see, daily chart is very important because it is determining the price, how the price of gold is moving for on the daily basis. Now if you look at the daily chart, gold remains in a strong bullish trend. As you can see, around from 6 days there is a continuous upside we have seen, even though price is consolidating, because see, market, it moves in this particular way if there is a rise. But if it started coming down, it will move like this. It will not make a sharp rise as well as sharp fall. So you have to decide as per that. If you are trailing your SL by $10 to $15 or $15 to $20, at least you'll capture a higher movement towards an upside, even the downside. So upside, where what point that you have to understand that if the price rise above a level of 43.51, trail your SL by $15 to $20, because it is very close to all-time high around $43.80. Okay, So if the price sustain above this level, there is a higher chances it can cross a level of $43.80. So probability of going towards 4400 is there, to a level of 4450, to a level of 4500. So if you are trailing your SL by 10 to $15 or 20 to $25 or 15 to 20, depending on how much risk you want to take. Okay, but suppose if the price started coming down and moves below a level of around 40 to $68 around, then what is best? 40 to 68. If the price didn't bounce back from this level, we can see a further fall. Okay, so again trail your SL by 10 to $15, so at least you will capture a downside movement which can come towards a level of 40 to 41. And if the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen, because see, if you look at this particular trend, these levels are already tested. So if the price started going below this level, we can see there can be a fall towards next level of 41.57 and then a further downfall. So if you are trailing your downside movement by 10 to $15, at least you will capture a higher movement towards downside. But if it's keep moving off 43.51, at least you will capture a higher movement towards upside movement. So daily close above a level of $43.50, we can see a further upside and can make a new high. But if the price started falling below a level of $42.70, then there is a further downfall. Okay, because from 42.73, if it didn't bounce back, we can see a further fall. Okay, what we can expect, that there is a Fed leadership expectation short term impact, because what we have heard or what we have seen, there can be a change in the Fed chairman may step down aside in the future, and a new chairman could bring a different policy. Market moves on expectation, not confirmations. Okay, because see, these are the things matters. Trader are positioning for short policies, rate cut bias and dollar weaknesses. Okay, this uncertainty supports gold in the short term. Because of this, we should, because of this, what we expect, higher volatility in gold over the next two session, with the sharp moves on the headlines. Okay, now a little bit of silver, because you have to understand silver is moving along with the gold, and it was moving a bit much higher speed compared to what we have seen in gold. Silver is likely to move less than gold over the next 2 days, unless gold makes a strong breakout. What we can expect, a small and choppy movement. Direction depends completely on gold. For now, gold leads, silver follows. And now the summary. So on the 15 minutes chart, we can see it is moving out of the zone and then moving upside. This is what we have seen in this 15 minutes chart. But on the 2 hours chart, if the price sustain above a level of around $43.30, there is an upside movement can be seen. But if it started going below a level of 42.80, then a further downfall. On the daily chart, I have clearly explained you. Okay, Fed leadership expectation, volatility supports. Okay, it has helped you. If it has helped you, like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you want a live trading sessions. So hope you like the video. This is Option Trader Today. Trade smart, trade discipline, and trade safely.